Hello children, how are you? Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. The day has just begun. The day has just begun. I like to see your smiling face. I like to see your smiling face. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Good morning children. Children, today we will learn a new letter. Letter H. Before that, we will revise letters A to G. Children, now tell me, which letter is this? Letter A. Capital A, small a. Mama A, baby A. Sound of letter A is as in ant. What comes after letter A? Letter B. Capital B, small b. Mama B, baby B. Sound of letter B is B. B as in balloon. Now, what comes after letter B? Letter C. Capital C, small c. Mama C, baby C. Sound of letter C is K. K as in carrot. What comes after letter C? Letter D. Capital D, small d. Mama D, baby D. Sound of letter D is D. D as in dog. What comes after letter D? Letter E. Capital E, small e. Mama E, baby E. Sound of letter E is as in elephant. Now, what comes after letter E? Letter F. Capital F, small f. Mama F, baby F. Sound of letter F is F. F as in fish. What comes after letter F? Letter G. Capital G, small g. Mama G, baby G. Sound of letter G is G. G as in glass. Now, children, we will learn a new letter. Letter H. Capital H, small h. Mama H, baby H. Sound of letter H is H. H. H makes a sound. H, H, H. H makes a sound. H, H, H. Now, ma'am will show you some pictures related to letter H. Look children, what is this in my hand? A house. H for house. What is this? A happy face. H for happy. H for happy. What is this in my hand? Yes, a helicopter. H for helicopter. What is this in my hand? Heart. H for heart. What is this in my hand? A hat. H for hat. Children, repeat with me. H for house. H for helicopter. H for heart. H for hat. And H for happy. Now, ma'am will do one activity related to letter H. Look children, which letter is this? Letter H. H for house. H for house. So ma'am will make one house for you. See, I will paste the roof of the house. Like this. I will paste the windows. First window. Second window. We will paste the door. We will paste the door. Like this. Our house is ready. H for house. H for house. So children, let's do the same activity with baby H. I will paste the roof of the house. Like this. And one square shape. Stick it. Two windows. First window. Second window. And last, we will paste the door like this. Now our house is ready. Children, I hope you liked the activity and understood letter H. Children, I hope you enjoyed this session. Bye. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.